Only a few students from my college get a job. Many companies don't even come to my college to hire. बस नौकरी लग जाए.
भगवान मैं 100 रुपया पर मंथ चढ़ाऊंगा भगवान, पक्का भगवान, प्रॉमिस.
100 rupees, seriously? Anyways, if you are struggling to get a job from college, then this video is for you. Watch it till the end. In this video, I will talk about two types of placements that you can sit for in order to grab an internship or job of your choice without any stress and at the earliest. काम की बात है ना, तो hit the like button please. I will begin this video by talking about two types of placements, that is on campus and off campus. Second, round of assessments in each type of placements. Third, ways to apply for on-campus and off-campus placements. And a bonus tip. Let's begin. There are two types of placements that you can sit for in college. One is on-campus placement and the other is off-campus placement. Now let's understand the meaning and the difference between the both one by one. First, I will talk about on-campus placement. On-campus placement, as the name suggests, is the placement drive organized in colleges to help students who are in their final year to get hired for a job.
2 महीने बाद 26 कंपनी इस कैंपस में आएंगे आपको जॉब्स ऑफर करने के लिए. उसका मतलब ये है आपके फाइनल एग्जाम्स के पहले आपके हाथ में जॉब.
The companies that come for on-campus placement almost never go empty-handed and they always hire the number of students they come for. But the type of companies, that is brand, that come to a college for hiring depend on the reputation of your college and also sometimes depends on the how proactive the training and placement department of your college is. So mostly you will see bigger brands coming to top colleges while average brands and startups may visit lesser ranking colleges. Now let's talk about round of assessments. Companies coming for on-campus placements usually have a set process for assessing and hiring candidates. There are a number of rounds of assessment that you have to go through while applying for on-campus placements. Usually there are written subject specific assessments, group discussion, aptitude test and the interview round with the panelists who come from the company. Sometimes there could be multiple rounds of interview, but generally there are two, that is core skill assessment interview and HR interview. Now how you can apply for on-campus placements. For applying for on-campus placements, you need to be ready with your updated resume. And the cover letter is almost never needed when sitting for on-campus placement. Now let's talk about off-campus placements. Off-campus placements are placements that happen off the campus premises. For this, you have to apply directly to the company where you want to work.
Why do you think you'd make a good pharmaceutical sales rep?
Well, I'm a people person. People like me.
Since these placements are off campus and the college has no role to play in them, it is a good chance for you to shrink off your college image and apply to the company of your choice. So if you belong to a not so good college and have always been worried about how it will reflect in your career, you can relax since off-campus placements allow you to showcase your skills to get a job. So if you have the right skills, then you can approach your dream companies and apply for a position with them, even if they do not visit your campus for recruitment. And the good part is there is no restriction on which company and number of companies you can apply to, till the time they have openings for the job role of your choice. Now let's talk about how you can apply for off-campus placements. For applying for off-campus placements, you need an updated resume and also a cover letter for each company that you apply to. You can refer to this video. It is a step-by-step guide and a sample resume on how to make a resume that will get you hired. The video shows how well you can mention your relevant skills, projects, experience as per each company in your resume. Now there are 4 ways to apply for off-campus placements. These are, first, job platforms. You can use various job portals such as Internshala for applying to jobs and internships both. Most of the companies like PhonePe, Godrej, BookMyShow post their job openings on this portal regularly. And daily thousands of students get hired through Internshala. Build your resume and start applying for jobs on Internshala. If you're not sure how to create a resume on Internshala, please refer to this video. Link is in the description box and build your strong resume. Second, social media platform. Apart from the job portals, nowadays company also post their job requirements on social media platform. So be sure to check them out as well for the companies where you want to apply. Follow their pages and who knows, there may be a job posting relevant for you. Third, referrals. Other revenues of off-campus placements can be referral in a company. So if you have any seniors you are on good terms with, and if they are working in a company of your choice, you can ask them to refer you to that company in case they have an opening. Fourth, direct walk-ins. As the name suggests, allow you to directly walk into a company for an interview without any prior appointment. But this doesn't mean that you just walk in anytime, any day. Companies organize direct walk-in interviews on certain days and have certain time slots, which are usually mentioned on the company website or their social media pages. You can be on the lookout for these and use them to get yourself an interview. You can check this video to understand how to apply for jobs and internship free on Internshala. Now let's talk about the round of assessments. While going for off-campus placements, there are usually more rounds than in an on-campus placement. You may have to go through multiple subject-specific written assessments, aptitude tests, group discussions, and multiple interview rounds. Since there is no panel here, but different individuals in the company who will interview you. So one can be an HR interview followed by an interview with the manager of the team you will be working for, and even one with the head of the department or the CEO if the company size is small. With this, we have understood the meaning and the difference between on-campus and off-campus placements. In the next video, I will talk about the pros and cons of each of these. So stay tuned with the channel. Now, a bonus tip. Many students make this a mistake of applying to only 1 or 2 jobs at a time. Then they wait for a response from those companies. Meanwhile, they do not apply anywhere else. On an average, for any company, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to complete their hiring process as they receive hundreds of applications for the position. So it is advisable to apply to multiple jobs simultaneously, so that in case you don't get selected for one of them, you have other opportunities to look forward to. With this, I come to the end of this video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, good luck.